Alright, y'all. So we are headed south on Florida Turnpike. We still got about 2 hours till we arrive. But got my shotgun rider over here.
Hi.
Cheyenne, what you doing, baby? Alright, we made it to Loxahatchee. Alright, we're grabbing something to eat. We're about to hit the... we ain't hitting shit, he said. What are you eating? Double quarter pounder with cheese? 22 bucks. What is this world coming to? Oh my God. We'll be catching fish here shortly, everybody.
You want me to read that?
Alright guys, we just pulled up to the first fishing hole here in Palm Beach County.
Something's in there.
This water's flowing. We're gonna try to catch some cichlids, some bluegill, crappie. Oh yeah, look at them. Cichlids. What'd you say?
Nothing.
Thank God in heaven.
You want me to read that sign?
Yep. Here, babe. Huh? Yeah, right here. Look. Right here.
The otter?
I see him right here. Yeah, there's like 10 of them along these rocks.
There's no such nothing. Watch this. I'll show you right there. Where's the worms? Here's the thing.
Well, let's see it, Wild Bill.
Where's the worms at?
Where's the worms at?
Where's the otter?
Babe, where's the worms at?
Who are you asking me?
Did you grab them?
I didn't touch them. I never.
They're in the black bag. Oh, they're in your seat. Yeah, so we're gonna do a little catch, clean, and cook video for you guys. As long as we can get on them.
I probably could watch Cheyenne if I had a collar. You have a rope or anything?
Using night collars. Wow, Bill's gonna show me how it's done.
Shut this thing off.
Camera shy. Now, son.
They're all gonna be together. So
What you got?
Monster cichlid. Look at that. Come here. Come here, guys.
I didn't try the
Look at
deer
this.
last night. Wow.
Hey, turn around. Look at this. Non-native species. That's a South Florida cichlid. They get bigger than the palm of my hand. This is a baby one though. Pretty cool.
Oh! Where'd he go?
Go kick him in. Go kick him in.
Go! Seriously. We're putting him in nicely.
And all the good stuff, babe.
Our second caught fish of the day.
Nice little hand paint bluegill.
It's not a baby.
Not a baby, it is a keeper. We will be catching, cleaning, and cooking him and frying him up in some Everglades seasoning. Hey, you got the bucket?
What'd you get?
Baby cichlid. Man, they're loaded with them right here. These baby ones. Look at them. Like size of 2 fingers. Baby cichlids. The full-grown ones are good eating. No.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Get him. Pick him up nicely. We have to respect the fish. Bye.
That's a big bluegill. Come here, look at it. What y'all think? Good eating bluegill or what? Let me know in the comments below. Huh? Hello? Fish fry? Yeah, you're invited. Yeah, buddy. Come on.
What we eating tonight?
They wrapped around that pole right there.
Kid? Uh-oh.
I have to go in there and grab them. Damn. I got one right here. He's wrapped around this damn pole. The ladder. See the ladder right here?
Oh.
There you go.
Snapped it. He was in the lab.
What? Everglades seasoning, a little bit of flour, some oil, frying pan, cast iron. Okay. Sounds good, baby. Nice one too. There's one spot down there that I know whether like they hit. You gotta let your line like funnel through that corner of that water flow. And that, my friends. All right, so let me tell you a secret. I have braid on the pole, like 20-pound braid. But what I do is I attach it 4-pound test of fluorocarbon with a little hook and a night crawler. You don't want to have a thick line. The fish will see it and they will not bite. I promise you. You might get lucky. I mean, 4 finds a nut every now and then, but say I found about 10. Now, fellas, if you don't know, now you know. That's a cichlid. If you guys are ever in Central Florida, Kissimmee area, and you want a link, comment below. We could go fishing. But for you guys that don't know, this is a non-native species. It's a cichlid. Beautiful color though. Look at how orange. They have stripes on them. A little dot on their tail. Oh, oh, oh! Don't get scared now, camera girl. Look, if you look close, the top of their eyes are even orange. Beautiful color. And guess what? Also, great eating. Appreciate y'all tuning in. I'm dirty as heck. I'm gonna go take a shower, rinse off, change, and clean them and cook them. Be back. Oh, we're back. It's been a little over 24 hours later. I cleaned and skinned, filleted the fish with my stepdad down in West Palm Beach at his house. I brought back 2 cichlid fillets to finish up the catch, clean, cook video. I'm not sure on how YouTube looks at the cleaning the fish part, so I try not to get too much of that on camera because of the blood, guts, and whatnot, etc. But our fillets are over here. We're using some Everglades seasoning, salt and pepper, and a little bit of garlic. I will show you the process here shortly. Stay tuned. All right, so we have our cichlid fillets. I use a stick of real salted butter. This is one way that I cook them. Sometimes I fry them up in in actual, you know, oil and bread them and stuff like that. But today we're gonna do a stick of butter in the pan. Let that melt. I use Everglades fish and chicken, if you guys could see that, as well as a tab of the original Everglades seasoning. Stuff's phenomenal. If you haven't tried it, go get it. If you're in Florida, Georgia, or Alabama, I know that they sell them at your local Walmarts and Publixes. It's a good local company down here in Florida. Definitely recommend. We use it all the time. So I got my heat on about 6, which is a little bit over medium. Letting this butter go ahead and melt up real good, real quick. Once this melts, we're gonna go ahead and put our cichlid fillets in here. I use a little bit of garlic powder, sprinkle just a little bit in the butter. Nice garlic butter with a little bit of pepper. Inside the butter. All right, y'all, so I want to say shout out to Deer Meat for Dinner and to his brother. To them, go and subscribe to them. They show really good content when it comes to outdoors and living the Florida lifestyle, and doing the stuff that I grew up doing as a kid. They're doing the same thing with their family. It's good family vlogs, good thing to show your kids. If you're not getting them outdoors, get them outdoors. All right, so we're about to take them off. They look about done for me. A nice golden color on each side. That's perfect. Bring some of that butter off of there. Lay it on the plate. If you guys like this content, please hit that like button. If you want more fishing videos, hit the like and subscribe button and comment below and let me know. I do plan on making more, and I can't wait for deer season to come. We will be traveling to Illinois, Kentucky, Alabama, Georgia, and hunting here in Florida as well. Big old fillet without falling apart. Ooh, piece of fresh cichlid. Blow it off because it is hot. Listen, if y'all ain't tried it, you better get a rod in your hand and go try it. Cricket, nightcrawler, any South Florida canal or pond. Cichlids are invasive to there, and they're dang good eating. So I appreciate y'all tuning in. Until next time, go enjoy the outdoors. Hit that subscribe button and support your boy, Florida Man Colt. I appreciate you watching. Thanks to Blue Gabe Deer Meat for Dinner. Shout out to y'all for encouraging me to pick up a camera, as well as Roman Atwood, and vlog my daily life and stuff I do, just like you. Thank you for watching.